Espinosa. Both of us got our start as performers at Disney parks. So no matter where we've gone in our careers, these bonds that we've made with these stories will be with us forever.
And while some of you may recognize us from our time on Broadway, most of you probably know our voices from some of your favorite Disney park songs, everywhere from Tokyo's Fantasy Springs, and singers
who are inspired to create new stories that move people.
It's for this reason we are so honored to tell you about the next era of Disney spectaculars, parades, and shows around the world. We have some great news to share. Next month on September 20th, the new nighttime spectacular, Reach for the Stars, debuts at Tokyo Disneyland. This show will feature characters from Big Hero 6, Up, and for the first time in Tokyo, superheroes from Marvel.
And in January, Disneyland Paris will unveil a new nighttime spectacular featuring a multitude of timeless songs from Disney and Pixar. This humorous and moving journey will be told through projections on Sleeping Beauty Castle and, for the first time, down Main Street. Yeah! And then, in summer of 2025 at the Magic Kingdom in Florida, something new is on its way.
We're getting a new nighttime parade! Disney's legacy of innovation in nighttime entertainment goes back more than 50 years to the Main Street Electrical Parade. Now this new show, Disney Starlight, will add to that legacy. It will use the latest technology to tell new stories with characters you love. It's a star-kissed constellation of Disney dreams brought to life by the magic of the Blue Fairy. It features moments from Peter Pan, in